guys hide? Where do you hide?
In here.
Don't you look in there?
No, it's in there.
Is it in there?
No. Here?
You can look. Is there anyone else to hide upstairs?
My baby cow, that'll take sleeping.
Are there any other rooms up here?
My baby sup.
There's no other rooms to hide?
She's up. She's up.
Oh, good morning.
Baby.
Good morning.
I wake my baby up this morning.
No?
Oh, I see a little.
Oh, you think you went in here?
No.
No?
No. I see a beer in a bathtub.
You think?
Downstairs.
Oh, that's where the beer is, yeah.
Yeah. That's upstairs in the bathroom.
Did you look at all the way in there? Ella, come here. Come here. Come here. Can you help Connor look all the way in there? Do you think he would hide it in there?
What?
Do you think he'd hide it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
In the train.
Wow.
Let's climb basket.
It is.
Yeah.
Connor.
Oh, let's see what you got.
Downstairs.
Yes, there's some stuff.
I can't hold it.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Here. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Wow.
What else is in there?
Another
A guitar!
bubbles.
Oh.
He did. Like
Yeah.
And
you.
stickers.
No, it was in the chaos.
Awesome.
That's good.
Connor, good find.
That took us a long time.
It was a pier.
It was.
You need help?
And I got more, another train with